We have to have a serious conversation about my cat. This is the Floof. She is about 5. She's over 5. She was born during COVID lockdown. And I don't know who she pissed off in her last life, but birds hate her. They taunt her. They bark at her. I'm not kidding. I have a whole YouTube video where I'm trying to do a haul outside, and there is a bird legitimately squawking at her the whole time. And that bird comes back every year. That bird does that every single spring. I'm pretty sure it's what they call a mockingbird down here in North Carolina. And that bird taunts her every single time it sees her. Now, I don't know what happens when I'm not outside with her, but I catch these types of interactions all the time. So this is a hummingbird. Now watch. It's looking at her. You're going to watch this thing come down to her level, just taunting her, and take off. And that is some horrible past life karma of my cat.